Hi guys, welcome back to Fiki Bells channel. So for today we're going to be restyling these white shirts, just any random white shirts, big white shirts, anyone you have. What we have to do this time around is just cut this one and turn it into this. That's the first style. And the second one, we're going to just cut out some parts of the shirt and turn it into this. I think the second one is my favorite anyway, and this is my first time of trying it. I hope it comes out well. Anyway, so guys, that's all.
So I'm using a chalk to measure the length of the top, so you can also decide how short you want it to be or how cropped you want it to be. So this is what I'm doing here, so I can have a perfect length.
Guys, this is the shirt. Can you see? I finally wore the shirt out. So this is the cropped shirt.
So for the second style, I'm going to just measure from the collar side to where I'm going to cut it from. I'm measuring it so I can do the same thing on the other side and they can be equal. So I'm going to be using this speaker just to measure like a circle. It's really small circle, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use my pen to draw it out. You can make it as small or as big as you want. So this is what I'm using for mine. So now I'm just going to fold the edges with the glue, but if you have a sewing machine, it's preferable, so you can just fold the edges and that's it.
Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful and you guys can try it out. If you try it out, you can tag me on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, everywhere at Vicky Pearl. So see you guys next week. And if you want me to try out anything or you want any new style, you can tag me and then we'll see if we can do it or not. So bye guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page. Please subscribe, and you can also share my videos, but just make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe.